Our coverage of the Karen Reed murder trial continues at 11 o'clock. As attorneys start planning for a late July status hearing, the state will have to decide whether to switch up any part of its case against Reed.
Now, that might give them a better chance at a conviction. That's according to our legal analyst. ABC 6 News anchor Alyssa Zara has that part of the story.
The Norfolk County District Attorney's Office announcing Monday it plans to retry the case. And ABC 6 News legal analyst Kenneth Schreiber says the state could decide to press different charges.
The district attorney may opt to press charges that are inclusive in those charges, but not the same ones, maybe making it, I don't want to use the word easier, but their burden less of a difficult threshold on the next jury of 12.
Schreiber says it's very rare to have a hung jury ending in a mistrial. The jury of 12 unable to come to a consensus on whether Karen Reed is guilty or innocent for the 2022 murder of her boyfriend and Boston police officer John O'Keefe.
There were things that affected this jury that you normally would not see in any kind of a case, especially involving the police. Just very inappropriate conduct, whether you look at it on the side of the defense or on the side of the prosecution.
After the judge declared a mistrial Monday, Massachusetts State Police relieved Trooper Michael Proctor of his duties, formally transferring him out of the District Attorney's Office State Police Detectives Unit. He's still employed by State Police for now, but can't be involved in any cases. Schreiber predicts the defense won't give an inch in a new trial, continuing its argument that Reed is the victim of a cover-up involving police, adding that a hung jury is typically seen in the defense's favor.
I would look at this as successful. It's not a defense verdict. It doesn't prove you're innocent, and it certainly is not an acquittal. But after April 29th, this case started. A lot of resources went into this case, and ultimately it was a hung jury. So it certainly, I would classify it as a semi, I wouldn't take a victory lap, but a victory for the defense at this point.
Schreiber says there is still time for the DA to bring forward lesser charges or for the state to change its mind on a retrial altogether, depending on what the O'Keefe family wants. Meanwhile, a status conference is scheduled for July 22nd. Reporting for ABC 6 News, I'm Alyssa Azara.